What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which is up just about 7% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just under 2 cents. And as you guys know, Bitcoin has hit a new all-time high, currently trading just below $112,000. So what is next for Jasmy? How is Bitcoin and the bull run, not the bull run but the increase in value in the market, having an impact on Jasmy, and what can we expect from this crypto over the next few days, weeks, months, and for the rest of the year? Is it a crypto to be investing into right now? But before I do that, this is no financial advice. Any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So as you guys can see here, literally over the last, well, let's say just about over a month, it has increased in value. However, nothing major. It has been going through a slow and steady increase, and even though Bitcoin has gone through quite a pump over the last few days, it hasn't had a major impact on Jasmy. And we can see the RSI is currently at 59.36, so it's still got a long way to go for it to increase in value. It's nowhere near being overvalued or undervalued, pretty much performing like it's meant to on a steady level, and it is likely to carry on trading around just below 2 cents over the next, well, towards the end of the week. However, going into late May, early June, I am predicting it to start increasing in value, getting closer up to the 3 cents value is where I'm predicting Jasmy to be heading up to by mid to late June. So we should see slow and steady increases in value, and we should also see Bitcoin heading over $125,000, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. Now, bringing out the Bollinger Band, we can see the crypto is again trading in the upper half. However, it is again nowhere near the red line, which is the upper level here, and every time it has hit in the past the red line, it has dropped down in value, and again it is nowhere near. So it is likely to, as I said, carry on around its current price range before going for an increase in value going over the next few weeks. Now, zooming out to the going on to the not the Bollinger Band, the MACD indicator here at the bottom. If we get rid of this and bring out the MACD indicator at the bottom, we can see, well, let's zoom in into the hourly chart first. We can see that the blue line and the orange line are both looking quite bearish, heading towards a negative direction. However, still trading above the baseline, indicating a slightly bearish movement from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. Going into tomorrow, it should essentially go for a very minimal drop in value, nothing major, potentially 0.018 cents in value, before heading back up going towards the end of May and early June. Zooming out to the 4-hour chart, now we are looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. We've got both the blue line heading upwards, heading towards a bullish direction, indicating a bullish movement for Jasmy over the next few weeks going into mid to late June and early July. We should predict it to head closer up to the 3 cents value, as I mentioned earlier on. Zooming out to the daily chart, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical here. As you guys can see, the orange line is looking quite bearish. However, the MACD line is still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, trading above the baseline, indicating an overall bullish movement from Jasmy going into Q3. So around August, September, we should see it trading at a much higher value than where it is at the moment. I am predicting it to head up closer to the 5 cents target, because yes, I know 5 cents got a long way to go from where it is at the moment. However, I am predicting Bitcoin to go for a major increase in value, heading closer up to $170,000 towards the end of the year, which should have a major positive impact on the crypto market. And Jasmy should also be pumping in value over the next couple of months, especially going towards the end of the year. But as you guys know, it is crypto. Any little news out there, anything that Trump says or whoever says, can have a major impact on the value or the crypto market, the stock market, and that is why I try and keep you guys updated as much as I can. But at the moment, we are looking quite good for not just Jasmy but the crypto market in general. Trading volume is up 15% in the last 24 hours, currently at $48 million. So we are on the positive side, we are on the green side. Over the last 7 days, it is up just about a percentage. Over the month, it is up 28%, and over the year, it is still down 7% due to the major drop earlier on in December, January, February, where it literally just plummeted, just like majority of the crypto market. But yeah, that is my prediction on Jasmy, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys predicting this crypto to go in 2025? I've seen a lot of comments saying 10, 20, 30 cents, which I'd have to disagree with at the moment. We have to be quite realistic here. We can't expect it to jump up from 2 cents to 10 cents in a space of about 6 months. Even though it is possible, it's highly unlikely to take place. We have to give it at least a good 12 months for it to do that. But let me know your prediction, and on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Before you click off, make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video to enter the cryptocurrency giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next update. Until then, take care and peace.